Welcome back to QA Vision. Today we're going to create a post request in Postman and make it dynamic using variables. To stay organized, we'll add a new folder for post requests. Inside this folder, create a new request. Set the method to post and use this URL. You can find it in the video description. Next, we'll define the request body. Make sure to select row, JSON, and paste the following content. Here we're using the variable called myTitle. We'll define it right now. To make it work, we need to add it to environment. In the sidebar on the left, click Environments, then click Create Environment and give it a name, for example, local dev. Add a new variable called myTitle and set its value to something like post from QA Vision. Click Save, then select your new environment in the top right menu. Everything's ready, so go ahead and send the request. You should see status code 201. That means the post was created. The response should also include the title we passed and a new ID. It's time to add a post response script to check the response. In the same request, switch to the Scripts tab. Click on Post Response and paste this code. This code verifies the response status and checks that the title matches the variable. Click Send again to run the request with our script. Open the Test Results tab above the response. Here you should see two items marked Passed in green. That means both checks worked. Let's try changing the variable to see if the script still works. In the sidebar, go to Environments, edit local dev, and update the value of myTitle, for example, another test post. Save the changes and send the request again. We still get a 201 status code, and the post title in the response now matches the updated value. The script passed again because it uses the current value of the variable. Here is a small tip. You can log the variable to the Postman console. Add this line at the end of the script. Then open the console below, resend the request, and you'll see the value printed there. And that's it. You created a dynamic post request with variables, verified the response, and used the console for debugging. In the next video, we'll chain multiple requests and pass data between them. Thanks for watching. More practical QA content is coming soon. Feel free to follow the channel and stay tuned.